Hello everybody, welcome to accountinglecture.com. Here in this first video, I will show you how our videos gonna work. So we'll start with chapter 2, incomplete record. This is a single entry system where small and medium-sized business, they do not keep a full set of accounting records. They follow single entry, rather double entry system. So often some information will be missing, and by using accounting toolkit we have to find out those missing figures. What can be your missing figures? Capital could be missing, the very first one. We need to make a statement of affairs to find it out. Your cash or bank figure could be missing. You need to do a cash and bank account. Your credit sales and credit purchases figure could be missing. Sales ledger control account and purchase ledger control account is a tool to find your credit sales and credit purchases. Then sometimes some income and expenses will not be given. You use Papa Allah and the T account to find it out and charge into the income statement. Use of margin and markup ratios to find your sales, purchases, inventory, goods stolen, and so on. And then few more. There are maximum 8 workings you need to know. The 6th one is late calculation of your closing inventory. There's a set pro forma. We'll be doing quite a few videos, some examples and past paper practice to give you good understanding. Then couple, which is cash stolen, you use markup or margin or inventories and trade receivable information to find your cash stolen. Inventory stolen, we use income statement approach and markup and margin. You can see at the bottom there is an example. This is the example we will be working in our next few videos. Thanks for joining. Hope you all will join and enjoy accountinglecture.com.